The question today is, after becoming a manager, how do you continue to maintain your technical skills? And this is my answer. My strategy to thrive in engineering leadership is to be consistently learning. Technology is always changing and ever advancing. Being a technology leader or a leader in technology means that you are a leader of a specific function and you need to have enough understanding of that function. For example, a marketing manager knows about the channels of distribution and marketing trends, but may not necessarily be managing a social media channel. A finance manager knows how to read P&L and understand cash flow, but may not necessarily be doing a balance statement. For a technology leader, you need to know about the company's technical architecture, technology stack, and technology capabilities at the very least. To keep in touch with technology, engineering managers can attend industry events, meetups, conferences, and workshops in this specific domain, read books, blog posts, and publications, and learn from subject matter experts regularly. I also encourage engineering managers to learn through their people as much as possible. It helps create rapport and empowers their people as they can see that their engineering manager is interested in their work and the manager are learning through them. This does require courage and vulnerability at the start. However, once an engineering manager accepts that they may not know everything, but they can always expand their knowledge if they have the willingness to learn, is a very powerful realization. In other words, we need leaders with a growth mindset. For more strategy for engineering managers, feel free to check out my website and blog posts on software engineering managers.